Hello, in this video we're going to go over how we can create animations using raw video files in Unreal Engine. To get started, you are going to need to be using Unreal Engine version 5.8 or above, and you need to make sure you have the MetaHuman core data enabled in your version of Unreal Engine. To do that, click on this arrow, then go to Options and make sure you have the MetaHuman Creator core data. Next, you're going to need to make sure you have the MetaHuman Markerless mocap plugin. You can download this on Fab and just add it to your library. Once you've added it to your library, just open up your Epic Games launcher, go over to your library, and just install this to your version of Unreal Engine. Once you've done that, you can create a new Unreal Engine project in Unreal Engine version 5.8 or above, and just go over to Edit, Plugins, then look for Meta, and you'll enable the MetaHuman Animator, the MetaHuman Creator, select yes, and you want to make sure you've enabled MetaHuman Animator Markerless Motion Capture. Once you've done that, just restart your Unreal Engine project so those plugins can take effect. Once your project reloads, go over to Tools, scroll down, and go over to the Live Link Hub. Once this loads, go over here and change this to Capture Manager. And then we're going to go over to Add and select Mono Video Ingest. And then you want to go over to the folder where you have the video that you want to convert into an animation. Okay, once you have that video, select it and click Add to Queue. Then click Start, and this will convert the video so we can eventually use this to create an animation. Once you've done that, you should see a new folder in your project called Capture Manager, and it will have your video, which is converted into some Unreal Engine files, which we'll later use. Next, we need to create a MetaHuman. So I'm just going to right click, go over to MetaHuman and select MetaHuman Character and just click Enable Missing if you see error messages like this. And I'm just going to create a very basic MetaHuman. I'm not going to spend time designing it. Also, I'm going to restart my editor just so that it creates this correctly. And I'm just going to go over to Preset and I'm just going to use Aria. And we need to just create a rig for the character, so I'm just going to go create full rig. We also just need to download the textures for your MetaHuman, so I'm going to just click this. Once it's done that, just go over to Assembly, and then I've selected UE Optimized and Quality Low, and I'm just going to assemble this MetaHuman character. Okay, so I've created a new MetaHuman. I'm next going to just create a new folder, and just call this Performance. I'm going to head inside here, right click, and I just want to go over to MetaHuman, and I'm going to go over to MetaHuman Performance. I'll just call this Example. I will open it up, and we want to go to Input Type and select Monclear Footage. For the footage, select the footage that we converted during the live link process. Now, when converting this to an animation, it can track the facial movements of your character if you want it to do that. But I think that's best done separately, so I'm going to uncheck facial tracking, and we'll make sure we have checked body tracking. We'll get a little preview. And then we also just want to go over to Visualization Object. And if you go here, you should be able to see your character of your MetaHuman that you've created, but for some reason I can't see this. So I'm just going to restart my Unreal Engine project. Okay, so I've restarted my Unreal Engine project and now I can see the visualization. So I'm just going to select this and I'm just going to select yes. Okay, next we just want to click Process and this will just convert this video into an animation onto our character. This can take a while, so maybe you want to do something in the meantime. I may as well say this now whilst we wait. I'm an authorized Unreal Engine instructor, and if you are new to Unreal Engine, I've created a completely free Unreal Engine Begin course that will teach you all of the essentials that I think beginners should know about. There's a link to that in the description of the video if you are interested in that. Okay, so it's converted the animation, and it's done a pretty good job, I think. Anyway, once you've finished making the animation, just click Export Animation. I'm going to export it in my Performance folder. We can just call this Viking Animation. I'll save this. I'm going to go Create. I'm just going to say yes, add compatibility. And we'll see the animation here. Then if, say, you want your Unreal Engine mannequin to be able to use this animation, or if you want any other character to be able to use this animation, you can just right click, go retarget animation, and then let me select the SK mannequin, and then I can just click export animation, and I'll just export it in my content folder. But now I have an animation of my mannequin character swinging an axe. So if I just go simulate, and I think that's pretty good. Okay, that's all for this video. If you want to learn even more about Unreal Engine, I'm an authorized Unreal Engine instructor, and I have a completely free Unreal Engine beginner course. You can get a link to that in the description of the video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!